Vacations are the most awaited time in the life of a student and a teacher as well. This is the only me time that we get during the entire session. But the problem is, how do we spend our vacations so that we make it more fun-filled and productive at the same time? So here I am with this video to help you all spend your vacations in a very smart manner. So next time when your teacher or your classmate will ask you how did you spend your vacations, I am sure you will stand out the crowd and give her or him a very unique answer with the help of the tips that I'm going to share in this particular video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to UTuition. Welcome back to the channel. So let's get started with a few tips that would help you spend your me time in a very smart manner and productive manner. So the first thing that I would suggest you to go and declutter your working space or your study space. जितना साफ आपका study space होगा उतने clear आपके thoughts होंगे. Decluttering any space is decluttering your mind. Okay, so साफ सुथरा रखिए. First and foremost thing, go and clean out all the things out there. The things जितना आपने मैसअप किया है वो सारा चीज़ों को साफ़ करिए. Make your mommy happy, right? Second, learn a foreign language. Now being multilingual is always advantageous, right? So add up to your advantage, no? Do something that you have not done for a while. Do something that you always wanted to do. इंग्लिश बोलना या इंग्लिश सीखना ये बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है कि हाँ मुझे भी करना है, बट समवेयर और दी अदर हम वो नहीं कर पाते. तो दिस इज़ योर टाइम गाइज, गो एंड लर्न इट. ओके, इंग्लिश या कोई भी लैंग्वेज हम लर्न नहीं कर सकते. इट्स ओनली व्हेन यू स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग. आप जब बोलना सीखते हैं या बोलना शुरू करते हैं बेसिकली, या सुनना शुरू करते हैं, उस टाइम पे आप अपना लैंग्वेज डेवलप करना शुरू करते हैं. तो बेसिकली आप ये सब करिए और अपना इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव करिए. डू ऑल द थिंग्स दैट यू ऑल कैन. इफ़ यू ऑल वांट अ वीडियो ऑन हाउ टू इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश, आई कैन मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दैट एज वेल. बट अभी के लिए, वेकेशंस के लिए, ट्राई एज मच एज यू कैन and improve your language. Or if you think मेरी English already बहुत अच्छी है, then you can opt for some other foreign language. For example, you can go for French, Spanish or German. So the third one is taking up a hobby. Now we all are good at something or the other. So you all might be good at drawing, sketching, dancing, photography, cooking, or else creating or composing your poems, right? So go ahead, spend your time wisely and take up some good new hobby and develop yourself. Do not waste your time. Just go on adding into yourself so that you would be a smart person by the end of this month or this vacation. The fourth is take up tuitions. Yes, you heard me right. I used to do this whenever I studied. Now I'm a full-time teacher. But earlier when I used to be studying in graduation or my 12th standard, I always took up tuitions during my vacation. So you can also opt this. आस में, आस पड़ोस में आपके बहुत सारे ऐसे बच्चे होंगे जिनको एक्चुअल में ट्यूशन्स की ज़रूरत होगी. तो ऐसे बच्चों को गैदर करिए, ट्यूशन देना शुरू करिए. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, द मोर यू टीच द मोर स्मार्ट यू बिकम. आई एडमिट दिस, जितनी मैंने पढ़ाई एज अ स्टूडेंट नहीं की थी, उतना ज़्यादा मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया खुद में टीचर बनने के बाद. सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टीचिंग, यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर. ओके, सो डू ट्राई दिस थिंग. The next option that I would suggest you all is improve your handwriting. So for this, you can either take up calligraphy as a course. So the point that I would like to suggest you all is taking up an online course. Now what online course? Now when you Google this, you will get an ample or an entire list of courses जो आप कर सकते हैं. It can be either in trading, finance, stock market, learning how to invest your money the right way. All these courses are freely available out there. बस आपको गूगल करना है एंड आधा एक घंटा आपके दिन का देना है out of this 30 days. Okay, and then you can be a pro, right, in trading, in investing your money, in investing in stock markets or SIPs, whatever it is. This was just a suggestion. You can also take up this. And online courses takes me to the next point, and that is learning a software program. Now we all know how advanced everything has become. Everything is online and everything is on the computer, technical, right? So learning a software program like Python or Java, it can help you. There are also a few courses offered by Google. Flutter is one of the courses offered by Google, and you can also learn these courses on Udemy, right? or Tinkle or Code Academy. So these are the apps that provide you this course. Okay, so the eighth point that I would suggest you all to study. Now हमको सबको पता है कि vacations के बाद after all school जाना है. So if you think that my math portion is remaining or we have got a number of holiday homework from the school, do not forget to do that thing. There was a video online where we were suggested that we should be doing an online course or this or that. Do not forget your studies. After all, we have to study and that is our number one priority. Okay, so जो भी आपको करना है अपना पढ़ाई करिए, उसके बाद आप करिए. Be a step ahead. जो भी आप करें एक स्टेप आगे रहिए. Now I should not be telling you this, but we all know that हर एक चैप्टर का there is a YouTube video already uploaded by so many tutors online, right? So आप ये videos देख सकते हैं. You can educate yourself before the teacher teaches you actually in the class. So what would happen जब आपके टीचर आपको पढ़ाएंगे वो, तो that would be a revision for you all and that would enter your head in a very proper way. The ninth thing that you all can do in your vacation is read books. जो भी बेस्ट सेलर्स हैं उन्हें रीड करिए, इधर ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन, या फिर आप ऑडियो बुक सुन सकते हैं अपना काम करते करते. दैट वुड ऑल्सो बी अ नंबर वन और अ बिट ऑफ एडिशन टू योर वोकेबलरी, राइट? आप अपनी वोकेबलरी इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. शशि थरूर तो बनना नहीं है, बट आई एक्चुअली लाइक हिम फॉर हिज वोकेबलरी. ही इज़ सिंपली वाव. बट हम उस टॉपिक पे नहीं जाते. बट देन यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर वोकेबलरी, यू कैन इम्प्रूव योर सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग टेक्निक्स इन अ वेरी वेरी प्रॉपर वे. And this can only happen when you read, when you listen. So you can either listen to audiobooks or you can read. Last but not the least, the 10th thing is exercising. Now we all know how important health is. इसलिए अपने टाइम में से और अपने एंटायर रूटीन में से एटलीस्ट आधा घंटा निकालिए कि आप एक्सरसाइज कैसे कर सकते हैं, अपने आप को फिट कैसे रख सकते हैं. So these were the 10 things that I wanted to suggest you all, by using which you can obviously spend your vacations in a very smart and wise way. इसके आगे I'm also going to upload a video on how you will spend your entire day, I mean the timetable, wherein you can categorize each thing according to your time. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to YouTution. Bye.